All right, let's break down Kubernetes. It's the secret sauce behind today's biggest apps.
So you know containers, right? They're awesome because you can run apps anywhere.
But once you have a ton of them, yeah, it gets messy fast.
So you've got questions, right? Like scaling, fixing failures, and just getting them to connect. And that is exactly what Kubernetes is for. It's the ultimate container orchestrator. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra, bringing order to all that chaos.
So how does it work its magic?
Well, it's all about a few core building blocks.
First up is the pod. It's the absolute smallest piece you can work with.
Then you have deployments. They make sure you always have the right number of pods running.
And a service? That's how your pods get a stable network address to talk to.
Okay, so with these simple parts, you unlock some seriously cool superpowers.
Like self-healing. If a container dies, Kubernetes just brings it right back to life, automatically.
And auto-scaling. Need more power? It can scale up or down on its own.
Plus, you get automated rollouts. Push new code safely, and if anything breaks, it rolls back.
This whole setup is built to handle anything. We're talking planet-scale challenges here.
So yeah, the best way to think of it? It's the autopilot for your containers.
Ready to become a pilot? I know, it sounds like a lot, but getting started is easier than you think. You can jump into free courses, get certified, and work your way up to Kubastronaut.
So now you've got the basics. The real question is, what are you going to build with it?